Operation Spiderweb, Danger Unleashed. On June 1st, 2025, Ukraine etched history with an audacious drone strike far crossing boundaries. Conceived over 18 secret months by the SBU under President Zelensky's guidance, this operation set a new benchmark in modern warfare. Hidden inside civilian trucks, 117 modified FPV drones launched from shipping containers with automatic roofs, evading GPS jamming using open-source maps and Russia's own cellular networks. In a masterstroke of planning, Ukraine targeted 5 key air bases, including Belaya in eastern Siberia, reaching distances over 4,000 kilometers. The drones struck with precision, crippling Russia's long-range nuclear-capable bomber fleet, damaging 41 aircraft, including iconic Tu-95s and formidable Tu-22M3 bombers. Satellite imagery vividly captured the devastation, confirming the loss of Russian bombers and critical infrastructure. This daring assault challenged Russian military assumptions of untouchable territory. Experts marveled as one analyst noted, "Inexpensive drones now reshape warfare." The operation, with damages estimated at $7 billion, disrupted Russia's strategic balance, shaking military planners and altering the geopolitical landscape. As the dust settles, Ukraine's innovative tactic sends a resolute message: resilience and audacity break all barriers. Operation Spiderweb is not merely a military strike, it is a testament to strategic brilliance and unwavering national spirit. Witness Ukraine's historic defiance and explore the far-reaching implications of a revolution in drone warfare. Ukraine's bold operation not only redefines modern combat, but also inspires a global rethinking of power and innovation. As nations watch, the balance of military strategies shifts toward the art of precision and adaptive resilience. A new era of warfare has dawned. Discover the future of modern conflict.